We are telling your followers that you've started a live video. Yes, please tell them. Right, today's topic is how to use prosthetics for your action scenes. Yeah. Okay, waiting for Madhur to send in the request. Okay, we've got it. And here we go. Hi, what's
Hello.
up?
All good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How's the lockdown treating you?
So far, so good.
Okay. You can hear me, right? There is no network issue, correct?
Yeah, I can hear you. No, all good, all good. I can hear you.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Madhur Purohit. For those of you who don't know, she's a prosthetic artist. Now, for those of you who don't know what a prosthetic artist is, I think it's better that you only explain it. But before that, let me just say a little bit about your introduction. So you started your career as a makeup artist for like 3 years, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, correct.
And then finally you decided that you want to upgrade your skills.
Yes, kinda, yes.
So you decided that, what should I do in life? Let's go and learn prosthetics. So you joined one of the most prestigious institutes in UK, which is called, I think, I've just made a note of it. It's called Delamere.
Delamar.
Delamar. So
Yes,
Delamar is
Delamar
a
Academy.
is one of the most prestigious and renowned makeup school. It's basically not an institute; it's an academy in London.
Yes,
So you did your professional prosthetic course from there, and
yes.
you didn't just stop over there. You basically upgraded yourself with a lot of other skills as well, which I didn't know कि मतलब makeup में इतना कुछ होता है.
Oh, yes.
I mean, you learned basic makeup, advanced makeup, beauty, bridal, glamour, fashion, special effects,
Yes.
airbrush. I don't know what that is. So we're gonna find out
Body
everything
painting, I can
about
add so many
makeup.
things.
There's just so much, man. Who knew that this industry had a lot to offer to the films? I mean, yeah, it's amazing. Tell us about your journey, basically. When did you
So,
started?
see,
How did you? Yeah,
So,
go for
see,
it.
initially, from the beginning, I was always fond of like brews and paints and all. I like in my childhood also, I used to play with colors and everything. I always fond of makeup, but I wasn't like glitter and glamour. I wasn't in that. Not pinks and all. वो मेरा
Yeah,
zone
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
था. I was like, okay. So initially when
हमें
I
तो पता भी
started,
नहीं zones होते हैं यार.
see, that's a plus point of being a girl, I can say. You can like so many shade of pinks,
Okay.
just like that only. So I started like, okay, I want to experience, I want to try. So as a hobby, I started learning, watching YouTube videos and everything. And then one fine day, I just saw a video. It was a Harry Potter making video, like behind the scene
Okay.
videos of Harry Potter
Okay.
series. It was the first or second movie. I don't remember exactly. And I was like, okay, this is something new and this is what I want to do and I would like to know. And I
Mm-hmm.
visited my sister in US and had opportunity to visit IMF. So it's IMF is like world's biggest makeup trade show. And
Okay.
I was like,
Makeup
okay, this is
trade
what
show.
I really makeup trade show. Yes. And it's like one of
Okay.
the event and it's like a dream event for every single makeup artist to attend, and I was just
Sounds
there like
pretty
randomly.
adventurous. I would really
it
want to
is
know like
it
what a
is it
makeup trade
is
show looks like, man.
Yes, it is.
Acha, we
So
might have some network issue over here. Matlab your visuals are a little blur. So yeah.
okay, okay, let me
Do you
recheck.
see me clearly? Like
Yes, I can actually see.
Yeah, but because
Yeah.
I think you're a little blur in my visuals. I can hear you clearly. Like there is
Yeah.
no jarring in between. So, but yeah,
Okay, let me check.
yeah. This is getting better now.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
So I start. So the institute where I learned my basic makeup, like natural skin makeup, beauty makeup. My tutor, she was the pass out of the Delamar Academy. So she is the one who introduced me to the
Okay,
academy. And I'm like, okay, this is the
okay.
institute where I want to go and where I want to learn. And we
Hmm.
had a like small 1 week master class of the base with the basic knowledge of cuts and bruises and all the prosthetic products which we use.
Huh.
And I'm like, okay, this is what I want to do. And since like 2015, I started doing more beauty makeup just so that I can make money and I can afford to go to Delamar. That was the main aim. So I did beauty makeup and
Okay. So
bridal
that's
makeup,
why you.
everything. Yes. So my
Okay.
aim was I have to go to Delamar and I have to learn prosthetic. Very clear funda, like very clear goal. Like this is what I want, and for that, of course, I need to earn money. And beauty
How
industry is
expensive is the
really good.
course?
It
How
is better.
expensive is the course?
So the course fees, it cost me last year around 13 lakhs.
What?
Yep.
Okay.
See, and then living expense and everything. And it's London, world's
Yeah, I
most
mean,
expensive city.
it's
So
it's pounds. It's
it's
not
pound,
even
cool.
dollars.
It's pound,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
So,
okay. So I work.
so मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार मैं एकदम ही अनपढ़ गवार हूँ. I'm like a very
Okay,
new. You
okay,
can assume that I'm a very new filmmaker. I'm a budding filmmaker, or even I
okay,
want to get into filmmaking and all. And I don't know
okay,
anything about makeup. Okay, I only
okay.
know कि हाँ makeup इसलिए लोग करते हैं क्योंकि लोग सुंदर दिखना चाहते हैं.
ठीक है.
So to me, makeup is only beauty makeup. But when I hear
Okay,
prosthetic, I was like, okay, prosthetic है क्या? So,
okay.
in a very simple term, if I want to understand what prosthetic makeup is,
Mm-hmm.
would you please explain me?
Okay. So in a layman language, I can make it very simple.
Yeah.
Makeup, the prosthetic makeup is a kind of 3D makeup.
Okay.
So it's not
What
like
is
a
3D
paint,
makeup?
and 3D makeup is like you can see the visual difference in the skin texture. It's
Okay.
not like a flat makeup, not like a filtered makeup. It's not
Oh,
filtered
yeah,
makeup.
yeah. It's got texture in it, basically.
It got texture. And
Yeah.
when we are talking about like if someone wants to shoot a cut video or something, like if they want to cooperate something like that, तो अगर आप सिंपल एक रेड मार्कर से कट लगाओगे तो वो इतना इफेक्टिव नहीं दिखेगा, राइट?
हाँ, क्योंकि वो तो
इतना
flat है.
फ्लैट है, रियलिस्टिक नहीं दिखेगा.
Correct.
And nobody is going to believe because we work in a visual industry.
Yeah.
हमें डेप्थ
And
देनी
and
है.
of course, असली कट तो दे नहीं सकते कि
दे
कौन
नहीं
देखेगा.
सकते. तो we have to use prosthetic.
So that is prosthetic.
We use products to make and create those effects on skin.
Okay.
Or we can do so many things, like we can partially or completely change a feature also of a human body, or we can just
Like?
give them, okay, if you have
Like
everyone like simple, we have seen movie Pa, right?
which one?
Pa, Amitabh Bachchan
Pa,
and
yeah,
Abhishek
yeah,
Bachchan.
yeah,
Pa.
yeah.
Imagine Amitabh Bachchan without this big head. Will it be that effective?
A good-looking Amitabh Bachchan, yeah.
Yeah, but it's not
But
going to
no,
match
but not the character,
storyline,
not the character.
not
Yeah,
the
yeah.
character. So we
Yeah,
have to
obviously.
use all these things to make people realize, and visually, not everyone can visually imagine and create things,
कि
right?
हाँ एक बड़ा सर वाला एक
बड़ा
बुड्ढा
सर
बच्चा
मतलब
कैसा लगेगा?
कैसा
हाँ,
लगेगा?
मतलब कितना
That's
रियल
why
होगा,
we
क्या होगा?
कितना रियल होगा,
Yeah.
कितना believable होगा.
Okay.
So that's why we use prosthetics. Simple.
Basically, it's one of the most important part of storytelling. and
Yes.
character
Visually,
enhancement
especially
also.
visually.
Visually, yeah, and
Visually,
character
yeah.
enhancement also, basically,
Correct.
in a
Correct.
way. Okay, prosthetics.
It's
Yeah,
so
I
much
mean,
fun.
it's just you have worked on some really good projects. I was just going through your profile, and
Yeah.
you just recently worked on Bhoot, the
Correct.
haunted ship.
Correct.
It's a
Correct.
Dharma
Correct.
film, and Dharma has come up with its own new horror department altogether, I think, you
Yes.
know.
Yes.
And Bhoot was supposed to be uh, a launching platform for that particular
Yes.
department,
Like Bhoot is
right?
for Dharma, Bhoot is still like their baby because it's so new
Yeah,
for them.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
When we
yeah.
think about Dharma, it's
It's
always
like
like
the
glitz and
firstborn.
glamour and
It's
everything.
like the it's
Correct.
like the
Correct.
firstborn. Got it.
Correct.
So,
So yeah.
Bhoot, how was your experience working on Bhoot? How is it, doing prosthetics different in horror films than in your normal cinema?
Actually, it's not. To be very
Because see,
honest,
you don't have any references, यार. मतलब the only reference that the director gives you is like, क्या मेरा भूत डरावना होना चाहिए.
हाँ, but luckily in this film it wasn't like that कि हमारा भूत डरावना होना चाहिए. That was the first part, and
Okay.
best part was Bhoot is like they have given us the freedom to create looks. So when we were doing the look test and like the basic scenario, we have given them like 6 to 7 different looks, and then they pick like, okay, you have to think, you have to imagine, and you have to like okay, creativity सबसे ज़्यादा important होती है, and visual
अच्छा अच्छा.
visual करना
I
कि यार
think,
भूत ऐसा है.
but before we get there, okay.
हम्म.
आपने ऑप्शन बना के दिए, बट आई एम सेइंग के व्हाट इज हाउ डू यू प्रेप फॉर इट, लाइक उससे भी पहले, मतलब हाउ डू यू गेट योर रेफरेंसेस, हाउ डू यू गेट योर मूड बोर्ड्स, और टेल अस
Okay.
अबाउट योर प्रोसेस.
So mood board is see personally if I get a job or if I have to do a research or something. So first thing what I do, I go through the story like script, the age
Okay.
of the piece and how old is that person or ghost or whatever is, what the circumstances जब उसका भूत में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ था, लाइक बर्न होके हुआ था, पानी में डूब के हुआ था, क्या सारी चीजें हुई थी, वो सारी इफेक्ट करती है. लाइक अगर कोई पानी में जाकर के मरेगा या ऐसा कुछ होगा तो उसका स्किन टेक्सचर अलग होगा और कोई थर्ड डिग्री बर्न से करेगा. तो जब हम गोस्ट प्लान करते हैं या गोस्ट सोचते हैं तो हम ये सारी चीजें भी दिमाग में रखते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि ब्लैक पेन पेपर लेकर के भूतिया बना दिया हो गया वो भूत हो गया.
ओके, नाइस.
एंड स्पेशली एज भी मैटर करती है. हाउ ओल्ड द एक्टर गोना बी, लाइक इट्स गोना बी अ चाइल्ड एक्टर और इट्स गोना बी लाइक अ बिग एक्टर.
Also, I think age also depends upon कि मतलब उसको मरे हुए कितना टाइम हो गया.
हाँ, द एज.
ऐसा भी होता होगा ना कि अगर इफ यू वांट टू शो लाइक अ डेड बॉडी जिसके अंदर भूत आ गया है, तो ये भी देखना होगा कि वो डेड बॉडी को मरे या जले या डूबे कितनी पुरानी है.
हाँ,
तो उस हिसाब से यू माइट हैव टू जस्ट एज.
यस,
फॉरेंसिक. यार ये तो मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा टेक्निकल जॉब है यार तुम्हारा, तो मतलब प्रोस्थेटिक का.
मेकअप इज अ साइंस
and I think and I yeah, I mean, makeup is a science, guys.
Yes.
Understand, it's not only just to look good, it's a science. It's pretty scientific, and it's you have to put in a lot of logics into it while designing it. So so you have somebody who's like a prosthetic designer. Okay, and so what are the key roles of a prosthetic designer?
Okay, so according to me, I personally feel like the person who can understand the storyline and the demand of the character in the story, like उसका impact कितना है, what director is trying to tell you, you have to listen because that's
the vision of the director.
Yes, वो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. Like even if you are correct on every single point and every single detail, if that director is not going to agree and if this is not what he is asking, it's not going to
Obviously.
work out, right? So you
Right.
both have to be on the same page.
Correct.
And not just that, you also have to keep all these things in mind, that where you're going to shoot, how long is the processes, what kind of material you're going to use, budget,
हाँ.
so many things. ये भी सारी मैटर करते हैं. But सबसे
तो
पहले I personally feel like it's the vision and the storyline.
तो ये you, for example, that you've been given a script now, ठीक
Okay.
है, and it's a horror film. It's not it's a horror film basically.
Okay.
जहाँ पे आपको एक इमेजिन कैरेक्टर जो है, आपको उसको प्रोस्थेटिक की हेल्प से आपको you have to give it shape. Okay. So how long does a prep for something like this takes? Like how long does it
Okay.
take to prep for something like
So, in prosthetics, there are two departments. Okay, majorly there are two departments in prosthetics. One is special effects
Okay.
and one is prosthetics. Special effects and prosthetic are not the same thing. Are not the same
Okay.
thing. They are like totally two different departments. They both come
Okay, so-
under prosthetics.
So एक second, just to add something over here. So if you're trying to say that कि अगर मैं किसी action shoot पे किसी prosthetic artist को बुलाता हूँ तो मतलब वो गलत है. I should call a special effect artist.
No.
Then?
No. Prosthetic also part, like special effects is also part of prosthetics, but it is
Okay.
not the prosthetic. But depends what you are going to ask for from the artist. So
Right.
the work he is going to deliver, if it's a prosthetic, then you can call it prosthetic. But if it's a special effect makeup, then you can't call that special effect
Yeah,
for
got
prosthetics.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. तो दो डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं प्रोस्थेटिक में.
हाँ.
फिर आगे?
So if, and secondly, उसके बाद में ये है कि अगर आपको स्टोरी लाइन मिलती है, and then you have to decide कि स्टोरी लाइन में आपको जरूरत क्या है, like impact कितना है, you need special effects or do you need prosthetics?
Okay.
So realistically, in Indian cinema, 99% of the time we use special effects.
Okay.
Period. There are like once in a blue moon we use prosthetics. Prosthetics is like molding, sculpting, live cast. It's the process of all these things. And special effects is like we are giving the effects on the skin directly without using those molds. And for special effect, we don't need to mold on. We don't have to do live cast of the person.
Oh,
We can
okay.
directly
So you can just
do all
directly
these
apply it
things.
on the skin. Yeah.
Correct.
Now I
Or
understood
sometimes
the
we use on
difference.
special effects. Sometimes we use pre-made prosthetic pieces, which is available in market. As anyone can like buy and apply. Not anyone can, but as a special effect artist, you can do that. But
Okay.
then you will be called as a special effect makeup artist, not the prosthetic artist. It's a part of prosthetics, but
Okay.
not prosthetic. So like Game of Thrones is prosthetics, right? And
Okay,
War
the
makeup
main
is
villain.
special effect.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it. Yeah. See, I understood one thing that कि मतलब एक particular हिस्सा अगर आपको बनाना है, for example in Pa, that was prosthetics.
Prosthetic, correct.
हाँ, and then पा को अगर चोट लग गई और हाथ से खून निकल गया तो वो जो fake खून का जो मार्क होगा जहाँ से खून निकल रहा है, that is special effects.
Yes.
Right.
Like
So
it's
something
called
which can be
special
directly
effects.
applied to your skin, your own skin,
Yeah.
is special effects. So for
It's special.
so I think it's safe to say that action scenes everywhere, like it's 99.99% it is all special effects,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
Only when जब किसी का दिखाते हैं कि हाथ कट गया तो वो क्या होता है? वो prosthetic होता है,
That is prosthetics.
right? Because
then we have
it's a particular
whole
part of the
different-
body. Yeah.
Particular part of the body, yes.
Yeah. और वो headshot हो जाता है तो that is also prosthetic, right? Because
Headshot
then
is
you'll-
part of, yeah. Part of
Depending upon
prosthetic
कि
is
अगर
part of-
पूरा सर फटते हुए दिखाना है तो
then it like most of the prosthetics, and sometimes it's like special effect because we add blood and everything.
Okay, there's a question for you, and that's from
Okay.
Alok Pavaskar. He wants to know, will the advancement of digital and visual effects technology make prosthetic makeup obsolete? Do you think so?
Kind of, but
You know,
yeah, You were saying something, right?
I was like digitally you can add blood splatter, you can add those effects, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But लेकिन is it how much is like कि
See,
कितना real लगता है वो?
and for that also you need a base. You're going to create blood on base. You need a base
Yeah.
color on skin.
Right.
You can.
तो अगर जब
even
तक
if
वो
you are,
बेस नहीं है तो उसको एनहांस आप स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स में
क्या
आप कर
करोगे?
सकते हो. हाँ,
बिल्कुल.
या
You need a base
विजुअल
for that.
VFX तभी उसको एनहांस किया जा सकता है अगर उनके पास थोड़ा सा बेस हो.
Yes.
Like
base.
I know this. Yeah. Guys, you've got to attend one of the live sessions on VFX also for this to understand this because VFX भी जो है वो enhancement के लिए होता है. Like for example, I remember I was shooting for this film अभी recently, Bhuj, the Pride of India. वहाँ पे उन्होंने बोला था यार मुझे एक छोटा सा blast दे दो ताकि it's safe first of all and then I can enhance this in VFX. वैसा सीन है. But लेकिन for him to enhance that he needs वो छोटा सा
Some
blast
base.
तो चाहिए कम से कम.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's like I think that's the logic for prosthetic makeup also. I think special effects makeup, by the way. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. हमने अभी ऑलरेडी बात कर ली कि मतलब प्रोस्थेटिक कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कैरेक्टर एनहांसमेंट के लिए एंड यू नो व्हाट स्टोरी टेलिंग में आई एम सेइंग कि it's not a horror film now. Okay.
Okay.
But say for example it's a war film, it's an action film. How much emphasis is given to storytelling when you do prosthetics or when you do special effects?
So, see, when it comes to like war films or something like that, you have to keep that thing in mind that the subject is going to be war. And these are the additional part of the pieces. Like if you are putting a picture on the screen, you need to add all those elements. So element visually, especially visually, makes very, very much difference. Like
can you give examples of elements? Like what kind of elements are you talking about?
Okay, so suppose if we have a shoot like जहाँ gunshot चल रहा है, but अगर gunshot यहाँ hit कर रहा है, तो अगर वहाँ वो wound या वो gunshot नहीं दिखेगा, visually नहीं दिखेगा, तो you won't connect to it, right? As the audience, you won't be able to connect and relate to that thing.
Right.
Okay, हाँ लगा वो impact manually नहीं आएगा आपको दिमाग में जब तक आप उसको connect नहीं करोगे. And prosthetics and special effects plays very big important part in this.
Okay.
Because वो human mind is like all visually. आप उसको visually दिखाओगे उसका समझ में आ जाएगा. Not everyone can like think and connect dots ना.
So tell me one thing, like कि मतलब एक script लिखी गई है, ठीक है? There is a director on board, there is a DOP on board. When do you, as a prosthetic designer, as a prosthetic artist, get to have? When do you have your first interaction with your director? When is it?
Usually when they finish the first draft of the film, the script,
like the script, okay.
The script, not the film, the script,
okay.
First draft. That time we come to know that there is a film, this is the subject and this is the thing, and then as they work on the script side by side, we also work on our work. We also do our homework, we do research, and then we show them like PPT files, and we work like that.
Like you are very much a strong part of the pre-production of the film. Yeah.
Yeah. Kinda.
Okay. You breaking. Yeah. Great. Good. Okay. This is gonna be fun.
Okay.
What are the kind of special effects? Like what are the kind of special effects? Like अभी हमने गन वूंड के बारे में बात की, पर ऐसे और कौन से टाइप के स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स हैं जो कि एक वॉर सीन में हो सकते हैं या एक फाइट सीन में हो सकते हैं?
Okay. Deep cut.
Quick ones. Give me 5.
Okay. Deep cut.
What is deep cut?
One.
What is deep cut?
You can like a cut from the what you call a knife, a stabbing knife.
Stab. Deep cut मतलब वो stab हुआ, knife stab. Okay.
Deep cut हो गया. Okay. Bruises. And
मुक्का मारा वो वाला bruise.
वो हो गया.
और वो सूज गया ऐसे सूज गया तो.
हाँ वो हो गया. उसके अलावा भी mostly. Oh my God, एकदम. Okay. And
Slashes, what are they? Are not deep cuts.
no, they are, but not like they don't come into that. I
Okay.
feel like, yeah.
Acha,
Stitchings
tell me
sometimes. Okay.
what? What?
The stitchings.
What is that?
Like, so temporarily on a war scene or something, because they don't have the whole first aid kit, they just stitch the skin
हाँ उसी वक्त on the spot जो stitch
temporarily.
करते हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah.
That is like very powerful image and powerful piece.
Yeah. Right ना.
Yeah.
और ये सब करने में जैसे कि for something like deep cut इसको time कितना लगता है?
See, if we have to make a piece, then it's at least a week, like molding and sculpting
That is
and
prosthetic.
everything.
I'm talking about special effects.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That how deep you want that cut. If you want like not on a like a very severe stage, we can create on the shoot location like in 30 to 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, and it's
So
gonna
every
last
time
for.
it's gonna last for 30 to 45 minutes again,
No,
or for the
The
entire day.
process of entire day. We might
gonna-
have to give a little bit touch up, like after
Okay. Ah,
3
yeah,
to
obviously.
4 hours.
Yeah.
But it's gonna last. The kind of products we use and the kind of products are available in the market, they can last for at least 10 hours, I feel. Yeah.
Okay,
Safe.
Alok has another question for you. He's asking,
Okay.
did Benjamin Button, have you seen that film Curious Case of Benjamin Button?
No, not yet. No.
Brad Pitt. Okay.
No, I
Alok, she's not seen it, so I don't think it's right to ask her the question. So
yeah.
yeah. But yeah, send this question again later in the comments below so that she'll watch the film and
Yeah,
she'll answer it
definitely,
later.
definitely.
Yeah. Okay, there is VR Tactical. He wants to know guts coming out after bomb blast.
Okay.
उसको वो prosthetic है कि वो special
Yes,
effects है?
that's prosthetics. That is
And how much time does it take? A week minimum.
a week minimum, yes.
And same case with leg blast after stepping on a
Correct.
landmine
Yes.
is again
Yeah.
prosthetics, and it'll
Again
take at least a
prosthetics.
week.
At least.
Okay.
Application on the set is gonna take another 30 minutes. See, with prosthetics, the best part is that we create the mold and we can make multiple pieces and we can store them.
Yeah, because you know the script already,
Yes, correct.
right?
And
Once
for
you
the
know the script, you
continuity
can
also.
prepare for it. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. हाँ, और एक बार अगर किसी एक्टर का पैर का बना लिया तो हमको मालूम है यार इसका पैर का साइज और ये ऐसे ही है, जितनी बार फोड़ना है पैर को फोड़ो, मतलब ऐसा सीन.
बिल्कुल. And then we create the mold and we can like add on things on the spot also. Like, okay, so first if we have like a blast or something ऐसा बहुत severe सा कुछ है हाथ में या पैर में, उसकी over the period of time उसकी aging भी तो होगी, वो heal भी तो होगा, right?
हाँ, yeah.
So we don't have to make another mold again, and we don't have to do that. So impact and the colors we're going to use, it's going to take less time. Each day it's going to be less. Because it's healing, and then we don't have to work on much details.
See, these are
Comparative
such
to the first
important details, to keep in mind when you have such sequences in your film, and you can actually, save so much time on this,
Yeah.
And so normally, tell me one thing: how much of, according to you, like in a real case scenario, like अभी हमारी industry में कितना time मिलता है usually for special effects when you are on set and there is a live action scene going on? From like on an average, like कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि मतलब time नहीं है और या फिर जल्दी करो मतलब we have to take light जा रही है like,
Yeah.
have you faced such situations? What do you do in such situations?
Yes. So the best part in that scenario, you just have to manage your time. You have to be very good with time management, and you have to be constant touch with like ADs and everything. You have to be like constant in touch, and you have to make sure you guys are on the same page, and the communication gap should not be there, so that you will have enough time to do that. And once you do the foundation thing, now Vicky, then like easily it won't take much time for the touch ups and everything. So when you are applying
Yeah.
the piece, so the most critical time is like when you are applying the piece. Once the
और
piece is done,
कभी
once
कभी
the
ऐसा
piece
होता है कि
is,
पीस अप्लाई करते वक्त मतलब वो टूट गया, ऐसा होता है कभी?
uh, yes, it happens. So for that we keep the backups with us. So
Okay.
usually it happens when we are doing the ball caps. So sometimes the ball cap is so thin, it tears.
What is ball cap?
Okay. So have you seen bald people in the movies? So making them look bald
हाँ
is
हाँ
the
हाँ हाँ.
process of
Oh,
ball cap.
bald. Okay. Yeah, got
Yeah.
it, got it.
So ball cap,
मतलब
the
बाल वाले
material
आदमी को
we
कैसे
use
टकला
for
दिखाना है?
correct.
Right, got
So
it.
for that we use a very thin material and वो बहुत easily tear भी हो जाता है. So for that we keep things in stock ना properly for the backup.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
And we do so many look tests and we check all the possible risk before going on a shoot location.
But
Like we
ऐसा कभी
try
हुआ है कि
everything.
मतलब ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि you've been called for example this is an action shoot and there's a fight sequence that's gonna
Okay.
happen,
Okay.
ठीक है, and you've not given time और बस इतना बोला गया है कि यार कल शूट है and we might need some kind of special effects, you know, ऐसा कुछ होता है तो ऐसी situations में like in on such cases what are the few special effects products that you will always carry to such shoots?
Okay. So I always keep liquid latex, 3rd degree. It's
What
a
is that?
silicone. Liquid latex is a latex which we use to give the skin effects and dry skin and skin peeling and all these kind of effects we create with the liquid latex. We
Okay.
use 3rd degree. 3rd degree is also silicone.
What is
3rd
okay.
degree is it's a product, silicone product, which we use to create temporarily effects, which we can't. If someone is asking, okay, shoot tomorrow.
यार
कल
मेरे
है
को ना
और-
सीधा इफेक्ट बताओ, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. What I don't know
अच्छा,
what silicone is, I don't know what
ठीक है.
liquid latex is. Just tell me
अच्छा.
liquid latex ये वाला इफेक्ट देता है और सिलिकॉन ये वाला इफेक्ट देता है.
ओके, लिक्विड लेटेक्स स्किन पील हो रही है किसी की, कट
हाँ,
से
हाँ, हाँ.
स्किन निकलना, वो हो गया. सिलिकॉन
Yeah.
आपको डीप कट का या बिग वूंड का या कुछ ऐसा इफेक्ट देगा.
Okay.
3D इफेक्ट. ओके, ये इसका देगा. अगर हमारे पास शूट चल रहा है और हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है इतना कि हम मोल्ड करें, स्कल्प करें, तो फॉर शॉर्टर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी कैन यूज 3rd degree to give
Okay.
similar illusion, not exact same, the similar
Yeah,
illusion.
got it. Like it'll be not
Yeah.
as good as the mold, but लेकिन it
Yes.
will still
हाँ.
do the job. मतलब ऐसा सीन है.
उस दिन आपका काम हो जाएगा 3rd degree से.
So मतलब these are the things which you will always carry to such shoots जहाँ
Yeah.
पे हमेशा
Yeah.
ये टाइम
Yeah.
किया. Are these products budget friendly?
Kind of, yes. See, again,
What
depends
is-
ki what. So again, it depends what impact you are asking. If you are
See,
asking me to create, हाँ.
I'll tell you one thing. Two scenarios I'll
Okay.
give you. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
One is a scenario जहाँ पे मुझे बजट की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है?
Okay.
But लेकिन तो वहाँ पे I know that I've given you time to prep. You know, you can make molds also. महंगे से महंगा एक prosthetic कितने का बनता है? Like for example, एक हाथ अगर नकली बनाना है मुझे, वो कितने का बनेगा?
Okay. Between
Range.
50 to 60,
Don't give me
50 to
don't
60.
don't give me your rates.
No, I'm not giving my rates at all. I'm talking about only the products.
Yeah.
So, between 50 to 60,000, I guess.
Okay, 1 week time and between 50 to 60,000 for making, you know,
Yeah.
a hand or
Yeah.
a leg or a head. A head is
Yeah,
expensive.
similar time.
Minimum is 50 to 60,000, like only for the
Yeah.
product. Only for the
Yeah.
product. Mind
Only
it, guys, it's only for the product.
We're talking
Okay.
about prosthetic, right?
Yeah. We are
Yeah.
talking about prosthetics. Absolutely. और मैं बता रहा हूँ कि like it's for example in case of like budding filmmakers, you know, a lot of
Yeah.
new directors who that are coming up who've got some really good stories and और
Yeah.
उनकी films में it just so happens कि मतलब there is action also and
Yeah.
maybe we don't need prosthetics because उनको पहले से ही मालूम है कि यार जिसको मालूम है थोड़ा बहुत भी prosthetics के बारे में, I think he or she knows कि यार prosthetic में बहुत ज्यादा पैसे लगते हैं,
Yeah.
ठीक है, but
हाँ.
they have not explored the area which is special effects, which
Correct.
need not be that expensive. I'm just saying need not because I
Yeah.
also don't know about this.
Yeah.
But what do you do in how do are you like production friendly? Is there any way that you can help the production, you know, in achieving whatever goals that they want to achieve? How do you contribute
Yeah.
to the project in a way which will also be creatively brilliant, but at the same time,
Yeah.
you know, cost effective?
Yeah. So
So
for that we always our first preference is always special effects because
yeah,
it's less time consuming and it's not going to torture actor skin also because
okay,
prosthetic if we are talking about prosthetic then
it
first
takes
thing is
time.
live cast. It takes time. So for live cast it takes like at
It takes
least
how much?
45 minutes to 1 hour where actor has to sit and we
Uh,
take cast of his or her face.
oh,
The
okay,
basic prosthetic starts with that, and then we do
okay,
sculpting and molding. But if we are thinking about the budget, then we always recommend special effect. For that, we don't have to go through live cast. We don't have to do sculpting, molding. ये सारा time और पैसा दोनों बचता है,
okay,
right? And we can,
and
of course, there is a huge difference in special effect का फाइनल रिजल्ट और प्रोस्थेटिक का, पर हाँ 90% अचीवेबल होता है. प्रोस्थेटिक
okay,
से हो मतलब स्पेशल इफेक्ट से हो जाता है. मैं
uh,
बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे मैनेजेबल है ये,
okay,
एंड ऑब्वियसली कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव तो होता ही है.
amazing. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. That's great. That's good to know that you are very production friendly. Okay. Uh, have you now you are a prosthetic artist यार, मतलब
Okay.
मतलब खून हाथ और मतलब ऐसे कटी फटी वाली चीजें तो मतलब घर पे पड़ी
Yeah.
होती होंगी. Have you
हाँ.
ever played any prank with it?
Okay, I didn't play prank with it, but I had one incident. I'm gonna tell you. So
Yeah.
we were doing a look test with one actor. I'm not gonna name it, but
No, don't.
so that actor was like had a jet lag, and he came for the look test, and he's like कि बहुत लंबा सफर रहा है, मेरी कल रात को फ्लाइट थी, तो जो आप ये लुक टेस्ट कर रहे हो मैं काउच पे रेस्ट करता हूँ बिकॉज मुझे शाम को वापस वर्कआउट के लिए जाना. कैन यू डू दैट while I'm sleeping and while I'm resting? I was like, yeah, sure, we'll do that.
Okay.
And we were adding a piece on his head. Okay, so we did the bald cap, and I was blocking his eyebrows. We blocked his eyebrows, and visually अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको कोई eyebrows दिखेगा नहीं.
Yeah.
So during middle of something, same while I was doing this, उनकी आँख खुल गई and he saw himself in the mirror and he got so scared. He's like, मेरी eyebrows कहाँ हैं?
है अंदर ही है.
अंदर ही है, कहीं नहीं. And then on the same second he also realized, he's like, oh God, I was going to sue you. I'm like, please don't sue me. My career has just begun. Please don't sue me.
Imagine somebody sleeping and he gets up, he's like, eyebrows missing.
मेरी eyebrows कहाँ? And that was his reaction. मेरी eyebrows कहाँ? I'm like, अंदर ही है, कहीं नहीं आपकी eyebrows.
Okay, and most difficult moment on a set?
Okay, most difficult is dealing with weather, actually, to be very honest. Like
Dealing with?
especially weather. Heat.
Okay, dealing with the weather, heat. Yeah.
Heat is the most difficult thing. So
Okay,
because
outdoor
skin
shoots
produce-
basically. Yeah.
Outdoor shoes are good. I mean, it's fun, but especially in the point of prosthetics and special effects, you have to keep this thing in mind कि if
Correct.
we are shooting something in like AC room, वो last करेगा.
Yeah.
In
पर अगर
temperature,
गर्मी हुई तो
सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम वही पे आता है क्योंकि स्किन ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करता है एंड ऑयल एंड ग्लू like they are big no, they are not friends
Yeah.
at all. They
Right.
literally hate each other.
Okay.
So that is the most difficult thing.
How do you prep for an action scene? मतलब आपको स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है, like मैं बता रहा हूँ कि एक एक्शन सीन है, or आपने the first thing obviously that you demand is a script, right? But
Yeah.
For example, if there is no script, you know,
Okay.
for that
Yeah.
particular action sequence, बस इतना लिखा है कि हाँ हीरो और विलन जो है फाइट करने वाले हैं, but actually फाइट क्या होने वाली है वो सिर्फ एक्शन डायरेक्टर को पता है या फिर डायरेक्टर को पता है. So
Okay.
how do you prep, मतलब
So
so your हाँ who's your first point of contact, and how do you prep for it, and yeah, and in a way I also want to like understand ke, what is the kind of message that you want to give to existing filmmakers and budding filmmakers,
yeah.
कि मतलब you know, if you prep in a certain manner and include the
Yeah.
prosthetics at this point of time, then it'll
Yeah.
really help you
Yeah.
in enhancing the prosthetics of the scene.
Yeah. So see, if there is no script and there's just the scene, okay,
Yeah.
there is a scene of the fight, then the basic things we create like bruises and black eye, and these are things in the list. Like wo to
Yeah,
hogi
yeah.
hi hogi.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like that. Plus, we discuss with the director and the writers also as well. So
Oh,
yes, so because
okay.
they have their own vision. अभी impact दिखाना है किसी आई पंच का, तो आपके हिसाब से आपने कर दिया, पर वो उनके लिए कितना कनेक्टिंग है, उनसे कितना वो रिलेट कर रहा है. Is he gonna be satisfied with the look you have created? You have to keep these things in mind, and that's why we prefer, and I really request to all the directors, please give us time and discuss with us. If you are not going to tell us what you want, it's going to be difficult on the day of shoot.
Yeah, how will
And
you
we
create it when you don't know what you have to create?
yes, and
Right.
we do lots of research work also. Like it's not like any prosthetic artist or any special effect artist,
कि ब्रश
they
घुमाया और
do
मैजिक
the,
हो गया.
नहीं होता. We do, like we make notes, we do so much research. हम real pictures, fake pictures को compare करते हैं. Then we like practice on ourselves before
And also you have to
applying
like
on
remember
actor.
the continuity also, right?
Yeah, yeah,
It's your job to
yes,
yeah, man. I mean, there's just
yeah,
so much in there, you know?
yeah.
It's crazy.
And it's
So
like,
basically, we should start. You know, you're saying that okay, we should start including you in the preparation process, in the prep, basically.
yeah, yeah.
And
Just to get,
acha, one situation.
hmm,
So yesterday I was having a word with one of the very skilled cinematographer, and he told me that, you know what, he when he was shooting once for an action sequence, he had no clue that what's gonna happen next. You know, like sometimes what happens is a director and a DOP has worked for so long on a
yeah,
project already, say like
yeah,
already for like 25 to 30 days, and same goes with you also. And suddenly
yeah,
an action director comes on board, and he says कि चलो ठीक है आप ऐसे shoot करेंगे करके, but you
हाँ,
realize sometimes you realize कि this is
yeah,
not going with the theme of the thing, you know.
yeah,
And
yeah,
और कभी कभी क्या होता है कि डायरेक्टर जो है वो एक्शन डायरेक्टर को बोलता है कि मुझे ऐसा फाइट चाहिए,
हाँ,
एंड एक्शन डायरेक्टर जो है वो एक्टर्स के साथ रिहर्सल कर लेते हैं, एंड देन व्हेन दे कम ऑन सेट डीओपी डजंट नो कि क्या होने वाला है. क्या
हाँ,
ये प्रोस्थेटिक आर्टिस्ट के साथ भी होता है कि
हाँ, होता
कभी
है,
कभी प्रोस्थेटिक
पर
आर्टिस्ट को पता ही
बहुत
नहीं कि होने क्या वाला है?
नहीं. लकीली प्रोस्थेटिक आर्टिस्ट के साथ में ऐसा नहीं होता है कि उनको नहीं पता होता है कि वो क्या होने वाला है. टच वुड, थिंग्स आर सो वेल. इसमें सबसे अच्छा पार्ट ये है कि जो प्रोस्थेटिक पीस होता है या शूट होता है, उसको हम ऑलरेडी बहुत तरीके से टेस्ट कर चुके होते हैं,
या
तो हम उसका वर्स्ट भी जानते हैं और हम उसका सबसे बेस्ट रिजल्ट भी जानते हैं. तो इफ वी कम टू नो एंड इफ वी आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल कि अगर ऐसा हम शूट करेंगे एंड इट्स नॉट गोना लुक गुड और इट वोंट लुक रियलिस्टिक, देन वी जस्ट पुट आवर पॉइंट एंड देन वी जस्ट टेल देम कि ये सिनेरियो हो सकता है. Will the scenario
कि ऐसी सिचुएशन हो सकती है,
हाँ, will your
और
actor will be comfortable, or
yeah,
because you have to make sure आपके एक्टर का स्किन सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, राइट? You have to make
yeah,
him or
obviously,
her comfortable because he
yeah.
or she is wearing the makeup, right? So
Acha, how is it dealing with the celebrities, and how is it dealing with just your regular talents? What's the difference?
for
Have you
prosthetic,
faced any particular situation where, you know, a particular celebrity has been trying to be tough, and you don't know how to deal with it now?
luckily no. So
Okay.
we have like different thoughts while we are doing the look test. Like everyone have their own vision and everything. So all this thing happens during the look test period,
Okay.
not on the set. So when we come on set, we know what
You
we are
come
doing.
prepared. Yeah.
Huh.
Basically, you come
And
prepared.
even actors are also mentally ready that they are. This is what going to happen.
Okay, this is
the
what's
process.
gonna.
Huh,
भैया
because
ऐसा
that's
होने
why.
वाला है, जाके बैठना पड़ेगा, पहले से ही हमको पता है, तो कोई टेंशन
Yeah.
नहीं है, मतलब
That's why we create like all the vision of the looks. We
हाँ.
do look test like multiple times, at least 4 to 5 times.
कभी
With
ऐसा हुआ है
each
कि
piece.
मतलब कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि मतलब देयर इज अ न्यू डेवलपमेंट एंड यू फाइनली द डायरेक्टर डिसाइड लाइक ऑन सेट कि मतलब यार अब इस एक्टर का पैर काटना पड़ेगा, बट वो शूट जो है वो 2-3 दिन के बाद या फिर 4-5 दिन के बाद होने वाला है,
Yeah.
एंड देन यू
Yeah.
सडनली गो टू द एक्टर एंड यू से सर आपका पैर काटना है, आ जाओ, लाइक ऐसे कभी हुआ है? have you ever
नहीं, अभी तक तो नहीं.
ऐसा किसी अरे
So
यू
far
शुड डू
no
दिस,
यार, अभी तो.
you should do this यार, सर आपका सर फोड़ना है, आ जाओ. Okay, we have
No,
a
अगर
question
ऐसा
for you.
होता है तो एक्टर्स के मैनेजर्स आ जाते हैं.
Hmm.
You have to discuss
और फिर आप
fast,
से
fast.
yeah. Okay. There's a question for you. Can you suggest when to go for practical special effects and when to go for digital special effects? Is there a
I
difference?
didn't No, I didn't get the question.
The question is, can you suggest when to go for practical special effects and when to go for digital special effects?
Like you can't do digital special effects without having the base.
You just can't do it.
You just can't do it, and it's
There
gonna
you
look
go.
so
It's
fake,
answered.
and you won't do it. You can't do that. As far as my knowledge, you need base for that, right? So you need to start. You have to give
हाँ.
at least the color, not the cut, not the wound, but at least the patch of a color on the skin.
Correct.
उसके ऊपर ही आप करोगे, right?
ताकि उसके ऊपर डिजिटल विजुअल इफेक्ट्स करने के लिए मतलब उसको एनहांस करना इजी हो.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Okay. Two quick questions, and then
Okay.
I think because there's just so much to this that I don't think we can cover this in this just one session. But guys, if you have any questions, just throw in the comments below, and I'm gonna share this on my Instagram, and I'm gonna share both the handles, and you can ask any question about action and prosthetics, whatever that you are, we will answer all of them. So yeah, quickly, two questions. One, what kind of materials are used? Like you told me about there is liquid latex. Right?
Liquid latex, yes.
हाँ, मुझे बताओ कि यार वो बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं यार वो जो खून ब्लड जो होता है वो मतलब वो केचप यूज होता है. So how true is that? Is it true?
It
Do you
used
use
to be,
ketchup?
not anymore. No, it
अच्छा.
used to be like very long, like 10-15 years back, but not
हाँ.
anymore.
और तो अभी क्या यूज होता है?
Like we use colors and the chemical blood, which are skin friendly.
अच्छा.
Do
Okay.
you know there are 8 to 10 different kind of bloods?
No.
Yeah, different color, consistency, everything.
ब्लड का कलर भी अलग अलग होता है.
Correct.
अच्छा, I know this कि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे मुंह से ब्लड निकलता है. So what is that? Is it
So these
safe
are
to keep
Yeah,
blood
it
in
is,
the mouth?
It is like they are
It-
edible capsules, the
Okay.
color, and they're like food colors. So it's safe.
Food colors, मतलब
Yeah.
which are made of food products.
Yes.
Oh, that मतलब
Yeah.
technology and all that.
Yes. So see, right now so many actors are becoming vegan, right? So
Yeah,
we have
Vegan capsules.
makeup. Correct.
Vegan
we have
makeup?
products. Yes,
Wow.
we do. Cruelty-free
Wow.
makeup which we use.
That's amazing, yeah. That's just
Yeah.
so cool to hear.
So that's what these are the capsules we use if we have to show them mouth blood or something.
Okay, so we see a lot of Korean films जहाँ पे मतलब it's like bloody and it's gory and a lot of Tarantino films where
Yeah.
Kill Bill for that
Yeah.
matter. That famous sword sequence where she kills I don't know what 100 people in
Yeah.
that room.
Yes.
And there's
Yeah.
blood all over. So
Yeah.
वो जो blood का जो effect है वो जो पिचकारी वाला जो effect है, how do you create
Yeah.
that?
So we create with the that is prosthetics. That is not special
Oh,
effects.
okay. That is not
because
special
we are
effects.
used-
Okay.
That is not special effect. That is the
But
effect is
does
also,
does that also take like 7 days minimum? Or
no,
what?
no, at least 3 days.
Okay.
At least 3 days. 3 to
And
4 days
और
actually.
वो पिचकारी वाला इफेक्ट कैसे आता
So
है
it's a
ब्लड
tiny
का?
pump which we use and which we fix with the piece while we are
Okay.
while we are setting the piece, and then we try the run
You
through
pump
the
it
blood.
basically.
Pump
You
it,
just
correct.
so do you like is timing plays a very important role there? कि
Not
मतलब
really.
जिस टाइम पे कट हुआ और उसी टाइम पे पंप किया और तभी वो इफेक्ट आता है.
Timing is important, not the place. Place ka
Oh.
it's not that
Place is
important.
not
Timing.
important.
Not as I don't think so
Timing
it's important.
Okay.
Timing is yeah.
So tell me one thing. Do we have any prosthetic schools where they teach prosthetics in India?
There are like in India the things are like it's a new beginning for India. So people
Are there any good?
teaching-
Are there any good schools in India?
Yes, they are good. They are good.
Okay. Okay.
So they don't have school. They are the artists who
Okay.
who take you as an assistant and they teach you how to do that.
Do you also teach?
I do.
Okay. And if somebody wants to learn prosthetics from you, then where can they learn it?
They can just ping me anytime. They can just DM me. I would love to take them.
Like I'm just saying कि किसी को कुछ reference भी अगर that
Yeah.
कुछ करनी हो,
Yeah.
do you have like an online thing where they can go to some page of yours and they can understand few things about prosthetics?
See, as of now, no,
Okay.
because my career is also new in the industry. I'm also building. I'm also
Okay.
learning as everyone else is learning.
Yeah, we
And
all
I'm
are learning
also- Yeah, we all are learning.
Okay, so anybody who wants to learn prosthetics or at least wants to understand at least the basics
Yeah.
of prosthetics, please
Yeah.
you guys can ping Madhur for that, and she's really happy to help you. I don't know if she's that expensive or not, but she's definitely very good.
I'm not.
But she's definitely very good, and she's not paid me to say this.